Hello to you all and welcome to another video. My name is Nigel. I'm also known as a Lake Erie vlogger. So usually you tend to find me out on the lake, but today my feet are firmly planted on the ground because the lake here at Lake Erie is still partially frozen. And I'll show you a couple of shots right now. This is what the canal entrance looks like here at Port Colborne. As you can see, there's a lot of ice. Once you get into the canal, it's not too bad, but the actual iceway here, the entrance to the canal, the port is covered in ice, and actually out on the lake there's still a lot of ice out there. So anyway, this is my first video of the 2025 season actually filming a ship, so I'm looking forward to this. The sun is out. It's about 10 degrees down here. If you go inland a little bit more, it's closer to 20, because we're close by the shore where the ice is, it's pretty cold. So anyway, the vessel we got coming in right now is Finnborg from the Netherlands, and I believe she's carrying grain, but she's going to be making a stop in Prescott up there in Ontario before making its way out across the Atlantic back to Europe. So very shortly, I heard it on the radio, she is making her way in. I did hear they're going to do a pilot change at Dock 8. So we'll see how far we can follow her and see how much we can get. I got the drone ready, the winds are nice and light, so today should be a good video for the first video of 2025 season. And the first ship we have is a Salty. Bonus. All right, enjoy.
Finnborg, Seaway Welland, over.
Yes, sir. Afternoon, CIP 16.
Finnborg, Seaway Welland, roger at the calling point. No outbound traffic. Tug sharing M1 secured at Wharf 16. Lock 8 is in the middle of an ice lockage. You will be getting the lock once the ice lockage is complete. Just be prepared to slide the east wall. If it's not ready for you, cover my lights and take your orders from the Lock 8 crew. Over.
Yeah, roger that, and we will be doing pilot exchange at Lock 8.
Finnborg, Seaway Welland, roger, power exchange and Lock 8, over.
The MV Finnborg is a general cargo ship built in 2011 by Führer Schmidt Lear in Germany. The Finnborg is part of a series of ice-class vessels built for Wagenborg. The overall length of the ship is 157 meters, which is 515 feet, and a beam of 18 meters, which is about 59 feet. And the gross tonnage is 8,911 tons.
Seaway Finnborg.
Finnborg, Seaway, Welland. Be advised there's some missing fendering on the east wall above Lock 8, and if you could avoid sliding the east wall until you're through the air curtain after Bridge 21 there. Over.
Roger, perfect. That's what we prefer. Thank you.
I'm just standing here watching the ice be pulled by the ship as it's gone through, and you can see the ice now just kind of following the ship. That's pretty cool to see how it's just being dragged along with it. It creates its own little current. All right, just behind me, the lock gate has just opened for lock number 8, and the Bascule Bridge is just going up right now. And Finnborg is going to make her way into lock 8, and I've just seen the pilot down here getting out of his vehicle, and he's going to jump onto the vessel here and guide the Finnborg right through the canal to lock number 1, and that's where he'll abandon it right there. And then the ship will sail on up Lake Ontario. So let's get the drone out again and get some nice shots of Finnborg coming into lock number 8.
Finnborg, Seaway Welland, Roger, canal powered on board. There's no outbound traffic. You'll go with Buffalo, secured at Wharf 12. Check down as you go by. Further dispatch at Port Robinson, security call 2. Over.
Roger, received. Thank you.
Alright, as you can tell by down there's a couple of big chunks of ice still in the canal. And Finnborg is going to make her way through, and using her bow thrusters, she's going to use that to shift the ice out of the way. Alright, I think we did okay there for the first video of the season. Hope you enjoyed it. Finnborg making its way back out with a ship full of grain, I believe. So anyway, until the next video, which will be pretty soon, stay safe. See you all very soon.